Buongiorno, this is Michela from Dreamy Real Estate, and I'm here today to present this beautiful and historical villa for sale for 4 million, just 15 minutes from Florence. Specifically, we are in Mezzomonte, on the top of a peaceful hill, surrounded by winery estate, and we have Villa Corsini very close. And for golf lover, we have the oldest golf club in Italy, Ugolino. The villa has a total surface of 780 square meters. In total, there are 5 bedrooms plus 9 bathrooms. And there are 3 different entrances. And now follow me, let's get inside. So the villa has 4 floors, a basement with a wine cellar, a ground floor where we are at the moment, so with 2 huge living rooms and a modern kitchen. Then upstairs the sleeping area, and then on the top there is a tower with an amazing view on the hills. This villa is from the 16th century and has been completely renovated in a contemporary way, but keeping the Tuscany style. We are now in a pool and garden area. The garden is around 3,000 square meters. The setting here offers a feeling of complete privacy and relax. It's also a perfect place to host your parties with friends and family thanks to the outdoor kitchen. Isn't amazing the view here?